Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called GetUpside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for GetUpside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. I just want to make this quick update video to inform you guys why I'm currently not driving for Uber and Lyft. I thought it was only fair. I did make a video on this, but I had tons of questions. A lot of people DM'd me asking me to explain further, and there are a few reasons. So I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why I'm not driving for Uber and Lyft right now. By the way, I'm gonna keep this video as short as I can because a lot of people think I ramble. So I'm gonna just leave it in 3 points. Before I get into that, use the link in the description down below for GetUpside. 15 cents off per gallon of gas when you use my link and code. Leave the video a thumbs up, I would appreciate that. So the #1 reason I'm not driving for Uber and Lyft right now is because I don't want to wear a face mask when I go out and drive. I have asthma, and I guess it's like health reasons too. I just don't want to get in a car with a bunch of people right now. But the face mask thing is a big deal. I don't like wearing them, and if you have suggestions, I would help me out a lot. I wear a medical mask when I go out. I don't have an N95 mask though, and I do know those are typically reserved for healthcare workers, and they are kind of hard to obtain. So I haven't tried an N95, and maybe that would be fine, but I don't know, the medical mask that I wear, the little thin ones, the blue ones, those, I don't know, I can't breathe well in those, and they fuck up my glasses, and maybe it's my glasses. I can't wear contacts because they hurt my eyes. My eyes get super dry, and I've tried out 30 different brands, I swear, of contacts, and none of them work. So I'm just wearing glasses right now, and I have to drive with glasses, so yeah, the face mask thing, that's actually a big deal. And I don't want to wear a cloth mask because I've heard many doctors advise against that, so I'm just kind of skeptical of that because doctors are warning people not to wear cloth masks because cloth masks typically aren't washed very well. They hold a lot, they collect moisture really easily when you're breathing out, water droplets. And then they also increase pathogen intake, and they reduce oxygen flow. So, me with asthma, I need all the oxygen I can get. I don't want to wear a cloth mask. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe cloth masks are fine, but from some trusted resources, I've heard otherwise. The second reason is, just being honest, I don't need the extra money right now. The main reason and I'll just be honest with you guys, the main reason I have been driving Uber and Lyft the past year. Well, so I started out driving Uber and Lyft to pay off my credit cards. I got $5,000 in credit card debt racked up, and another $5,400 in my car loan, $5,000 for the car, and then DMV I had to pay in taxes, so I just put that all in a loan. So it was around $450, $400-ish. So I started driving to pay that off. It was like 3 or 4 months of full-time driving. Worked at a hotel, worked at Nike, worked at a school, did tutoring, did literally everything I could. Started up the YouTube channel, kept driving mostly to make content for the channel, and then obviously, extra income is always good. But, I don't necessarily need the money right now, so I'm just kind of chilling and I'm focusing on other things. I've started a TikTok account. If you want to follow me on TikTok, my username is @DylanHemrick. For whatever reason, now I have over 500,000 followers. I've only started like 3 months ago, and I just make like funny videos. So yeah, you can follow me on TikTok. I'm probably gonna focus more on TikTok just because I'm trying to get to 1 million followers on there, because I think at that point brands can probably pay me, you know, some money to shout them out or whatever. I don't know. We'll deal with that when the time comes. I'm not focusing on any brand deals quite yet, just because I don't think, even on TikTok, 500,000 followers isn't even that much. Honestly, I probably need 1 million followers at least. Or maybe like 10 million followers. I know it's like, these are huge numbers, but that's just how it works over there. Probably if I had 10 million followers, I could probably get some brand deals. Okay, moving forward. The third reason why I'm not driving for rideshare right now is, I guess that's it. Those are the main reasons why I'm not driving for rideshare. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm just focusing on other stuff. I don't know. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Are you still driving for rideshare? Are you still making good money? Yeah, okay, I guess the number 3 is that it's just not busy right now. Like, stuff's still not really open yet, so it's not fun anymore. I guess that's like part of the, yeah, I guess that's like the third reason. It's not really fun. It's more like you're an essential activity. You're driving people from point A to point B. Some people are still going out and partying and stuff, but like, you know, everyone's got to wear a face mask. Everyone has to be official. You got to clean your car for every single ride, and it's just like, the whole fun of driving people around is not there anymore. So for me, I really don't see it, and I wouldn't actively encourage my friends to go out and start driving for Uber right now. I don't see it as a long-term growth plan. I'm probably going to soon go out and drive, and I'm just going to have to try to find a face mask that I like, or just wear it while I have passengers in my car, because I need to drive in order to make videos about my earnings, because that's, you know, or else what am I gonna do with this channel? I have thought about just focusing on TikTok and then having Greg and Jacob and George kind of like just oversee the channel or like post videos on there. So I don't know. Anyways, guys, that's why I'm not driving right now. Thank you all for watching today's video, and I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.